Okay, the topic is converting equations from rectangular to spherical. So let's do the first example. Convert the rectangular equation x squared plus y squared plus z squared is equal 7 to spherical form. So remember, all you have to convert to spherical, in spherical coordinate, all you can have is rhos, phis, and thetas. Of course, this is the obvious one. We need to use x squared plus y squared plus z squared is equal rho squared. So this whole thing is just rho squared. So rho squared is equal 7. We know that rho is always positive, so it cannot be negative square root of 7. So rho will be equal square root of 7. So how do we graph it? Square root of 7, square root of 7, square root of 7. So it will be this sphere. Alright, so let's do the next example. Convert the rectangular equation y equal negative x. But x is negative, so it's only half plane. X negative and y positive. X negative, y positive. So this is x negative. This is y positive. And you want y to be equal negative x, so basically halfway. Right? And then so this half plane. So what do? Again, we can only have rhos, phis, and theta. So I'm going to replace y by rho sine phi sine theta. Minus. And I'm going to replace x by rho sine phi cosine theta. Now I can divide by rho sine phi, so I can simplify these two. So I get sine theta equal minus cosine sine theta is equal minus cosine theta. Divide both by cosine theta, I get tangent theta equal negative 1. Now remember, I know my theta, because I'm here, I know my theta is between pi over 2, which is, well, actually the theta goes from here, so let me call this. It goes from pi over 2 to 3 pi over 2. So it's going to be here. So this is my theta. And I know its tangent is equal to negative 1, means negative 1. What am I doing? Something is wrong. Yeah, that's right. From pi over 2 to 3 pi over 2. Yep. So this has to be negative 1. This has to be 1. So this is square root of 2. Right? So my theta will be, since this is pi over 4, my theta will be pi over 2 plus pi over 4, which is 3 pi over 4. So the answer here is theta equal 3 pi over 4. So this is our equation in spherical. And it makes sense. This is, if you count this angle from here to here, it is 3 pi over 4. Alright, let's do the next example. Convert the equation y equals square root of 3x, y equals square root of 3 times x. X this time is positive, y is positive. So when x is equal 1, y is equal square root of 3, 1.5, so something like this. And since x and y is positive, we're going to get this half plane. Right. Alright, so let's do that same way. I'm going to replace y by rho sine phi sine theta. and I'm going to replace x by rho sine phi cosine theta. Now I'm going to divide by rho, divide by sine phi, and then I'll get sine theta equal cosine theta. Divide both by cosine theta means tangent theta is 1. So we know x and y are positive, so I'm looking in the first quadrant. This is my theta. Tangent is 1 over 1, so this is 1, 1. This has to be square root of 2. So theta has to be pi over 4. So the answer is, the equation is theta equal pi over 4, and it makes sense. This is my theta equal pi over 4. And that's it for this example.